everyone, this is Sakura Yubi. I'm filming my first cooking video in my new kitchen here. I'm so excited. Today I'm going to show you how to cook this simple and delicious dish. It's stir-fried chicken and veggies. I know, you all know how to stir-fry chicken and veggies. But this one is not quite like the others. There are a few twists and tricks involved to make it extra delicious. So, let's get started. Turn the heat to low to medium and oil the pan. We are cooking the chicken first. Use chicken thigh or chicken breast, whichever you like, but it should have skin on. And have it marinated in Shio Koji for at least a couple of hours. This one had been kept in the freezer like this and defrosted. Shio Koji makes the meat soft and juicy and brings out umami from the meat as well. Place the chicken skin side down and we will leave them like this for about 20 to 30 minutes until all that fat from the skin comes out. We're going to use this fat to season the veggies. Make sure you keep the flame low because Shio Koji burns very easily. Okay, these look good now. Let's bring up the heat to medium to high and go ahead and add the veggies. Use any veggies you have in your fridge. I mean, this is a simple dish and no complex seasoning is involved. Let's celebrate that beautiful flavors of the vegetables. I love vegetables. You see, they're like a sponge. They suck up all that yummy oil from the chicken skin. This is why this dish is so delicious. Stir fry them for a few minutes until the chicken and veggies are cooked. Season it with some salt and pepper. Give it a little more stir. And we're done. Let's plate and eat. This was so good. The chicken was soft, juicy, and flavorful, and the veggies were crunchy and tasty because they sucked up all that fat from the chicken skin. I had some foodgasm here. This is a great dish to make if you are busy but you want to eat something simple, healthy, and delicious. So, give it a try and let me know how it went, okay? I'd love to hear from you. And that is it for today. Check out sakurayubi.com for the ingredient amounts. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!